Hey guys, welcome to the channel video. Today I thought that this is our first video, right? So then why not film an about me video? Because of course, right, you guys need to know me to watch me. So we have some fun questions coming up which I'm going to answer to you guys. So I highly recommend that you either put it on while you are, getting ready, or grab something to eat or drink, because this is going to be a fun, juicy video. So let's get right into it. Okay, guys, so I have my phone here with me, and it has like some questions that I've picked out that I'm going to answer. These are the questions that I'm going to answer right now. So the first category is elementary cues. I know it's a fancy name, but it only means one thing, that these are some basic questions. So, first question: Who am I? Who am I that you guys are watching here? I am Diana Patel, and I'm a 13-year-old girl, like soon to be 14, so high school student, a freshman in high school. And here I am on YouTube to show you guys what I'm passionate about. Then, next question: Why am I starting this channel? This is a little deep question, so I'm going to answer it on a deeper level. Basically, I want to create a community of students or of people of any age. This content that I'm going to film on YouTube is not age oriented. So basically, here I want people to feel inspired, to feel motivated, because I believe that my life is something uh, that you would really feel motivated or inspired by, since I am that conventionally perfect student. I hope you guys know what I want to say by that. But basically, I have a lot of passions as well. I thought that why not create a YouTube channel, like to show my own journey here. So here on YouTube, I am here to film the BTS, the behind the scenes of the girl, who of the perfect student girl, or the that girl, or the it girl. And I truly believe that I am one of them. People show it, right, that how to be an it girl, how to be that girl. But here on YouTube, on this side of the internet, I want to show you the behind the scenes of that. And of course, I have a lot of passions, so I also want to show what it's like to live with all those passions. So now coming to the second question, which was what are my passions and what I like to do when I'm not studying. Okay, so now people get this sort of I don't want to say stereotype, but it's something like, if you have good grades and you're just studying, which is so not true, you guys. I get good grades and I don't just study. I have so many passions. So here I am listing all of them. First, I would say is Bharatnatyam, because I go for classical dance. I love classical dance actually. I go for twice every week. Then is reading, because I love reading books, you guys. Actually, fiction books. I still am not able to read non-fiction. And also writing. I am currently writing a book actually, so there is a lot of more content coming up. And then I would say passion and getting ready actually. Just getting dressed up, putting some makeup on, making a cute hairstyle, getting a nice some clothes, accessories. I just love all of those. So yeah. Then okay, then the fourth question: my birthday and my age. Now, as I already said, my age it's 13, and birthday I was born on third 3rd July 2012. I just wanted to say that this is not my house, guys. This is actually a resort that we are staying at in Lonavala. So I'm actually on a trip right now of Mumbai and Lonavala, and I'm of course filming all of that. So I have vlogs coming up. So stay tuned for those, because they are so much fun. Next category is favorites. Of course, you cannot get to know other people if you don't know what they like and what they dislike. So we are talking about what I like, basically. Okay. Favorite food, I would say pani puri. Like, which girl doesn't like pani puri? So favorite food is pani puri. Favorite comfort item, I have a shawl. I just cannot sleep without it. It's that much of a comfort item to me. Whenever I feel nervous or anything, I just have it right beside me. Favorite show, I would say Miraculous Ladybug. I favorite Disney movie and favorite Disney princess. Favorite Disney princess, I have Elsa because she is not a princess, she's a queen. Because her actions, the way she is so independent, I just love it. I don't know why Disney has created this sort of thing. Like all the Disney princesses, they need men to protect them, which I seriously disagree. So I believe Elsa is my role model even. Favorite Disney movie? I just saw it a few days ago before I came to the trip. It is Zootopia, and oh my god, I love Nick and Judy. If you have not watched that, please go and watch it. I mean, that movie, Zootopia 1 and Zootopia 2, both are really, really, really good. Favorite accessory to wear? E.g., necklaces, bracelets, etc. I think earrings, like I'm wearing some right now. I think that earrings add so much personality to you. They go with almost every outfit. Like you cannot wear a necklace on every outfit, and you cannot also wear a bracelet on every outfit. But you can wear earrings on every outfit. So I believe earrings are my favorite accessory to wear. Favorite song right now, I think it is Dracula because I give such a main character energy. Favorite book series till now, as I said, I love reading. So favorite book series, I would say Percy Jackson and the Olympians. All the books are above 4-star rating for me. The series in a whole is a full 5-star. I don't even have to think about it before I give it 5-star. So yeah, I love that series. Okay, the next category, it is a small one, but it is, I believe, an important one. It is signs and personality type. First, Chinese zodiac, it is water dragon actually because I was born in 2012. Star zodiac, it is Cancer because I was born in July. Personality types, we have Enneagram personality. It is type 4, the individualist, and MBTI personality. Okay, now MBTI, it is a little confusing because either it is ENFJ or it is ENTJ. T and F, they are a little they are a little bit conflicting because sometimes I'm more of a thinking person and sometimes I'm more of a feelings person. So I think a mix of both. Okay, next category we have fun, getting to know me. First one in this category we have, if I could travel anywhere in the world tomorrow, where would I go? I believe Paris because if you were to define me as a city, then it would be Paris because it has such a beautiful mixture of art and history, culture, and even modern. So I believe Paris is my favorite city and I would love to travel there. Next question, what aesthetic do I define my ideal version as? 2 to 3 I would give you guys. The first one is main character vibes because I am a lot of main character vibes. Second would be the chic girl or that girl, the girl. Coquette aesthetic. I am a lot of coquette aesthetic as well because I just love those colors. What happened? Something happened. Anyways, we are just going to continue the video. Sorry if the lighting is not good. Basically, I would say that coquette, main character energy, etc. It came again. Okay, now one thing that I'm really bad at, which everyone does effortlessly, it is binge watching. People literally binge watch on movies, shows, and binge read on books. But I just cannot do it. I don't know like how amazing that series would be. I would not care. I would need breaks, guys. I can never binge watch or binge read anything. I've never done that, and people do it so effortlessly. Like they literally are glued to that thing, but I just can never do that. Then we have something that I have a love-hate relationship with. A love-hate relationship, I would say airplanes and airports. I know, a weird question, but yeah, airplanes and airports because I love the airport vibe, the travel girl vibe, that vibe. I love that. I'm all up for it. I eat it up every single time. But for the hate part, I'm truly, truly, truly scared of heights. Planes are not my easy part. But then again, there is jet lag and so many more things that come with the plane. And also, I can never sleep in the plane. Like, guys, sleep just never finds me when I'm on the plane. When I need it the